Mine's good. Oh.
You guys got to clean up the room.
Mine's good.
Oh, yeah, very funny.
Mine's good.
Kyron?
You gotta clean up the damn room.
Okay, I will.
Oh, come on.
Clean it up.
Okay, let's do this. Okay. Now.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, how you do this? Oh, that one goes back.
In a minute, hold on.
Okay.
Just come on, Cleo.
Very,
And thank you.
very,
Kyron, what did you see in there?
Man, I thought we'd get a better reaction than that.
I gotta go through the fur box.
Kyron, what do you see? What's different in Cadell's room today?
This game coop.
No. Cadell, what's different in your room today?
Computer.
The what?
Computer.
The pewter.
Computer.
What computer?
Well, I know this.
The black and...
I know that.
Now you can't say it's slow.
Do you like it?
Oh,
I like it.
Did you say thank you to Dad?
Thank you, Dad.
I was just going to say... I don't know. About to hear it.
It's clean.
The room is clean?
Yeah.
Now what are you going to do?
No, you use that.
Oh, yeah. I was trying to save it, but...
Do you guys like your new computer?
Yes.
I don't.